I told you.
Oh, yeah. That is
Show it to the camera. Told you, man.
nice fish, dude.
Told you it was a good fish.
Yeah! Woo! Hey, you're shaking a little. Oh. I can't help it.
What is it? 8 pounders, 8?
Yes, fish. Go ahead and get that one. Alright, do I put in this one or separate or what?
Put it on in here.
Keep your fish separate. Well, my other one's in that one. Okay. We're supposed to keep them separate. No, don't worry about it. We'll know which one's yours.
Okay, you can put it right here if you want. There you go.
Woo! Oh, man. That's awesome, dude. That's a cool thing. You're recording, right?
Huh? Yeah.
You're recording, right?
I was recording when you were lifting it.
What do you think that is?
It's
almost 8?
Almost 8.
Almost 8.
7.5, 8 pounder.
Dude, we were in 4 foot of water.
Yeah. Let's go for the next one.
Dude, I saw that sucker. I was like, "Can we pop him out last night?" Yeah.
You thought you were on a tree or something? Is that right?
Yeah, he's out there. He hung up. He didn't move.
He didn't move.
Alright, we need one more like that.
Let's go for the fifth, for the four more. We need 4 more of those.
That battery still says low?
A little bit. Watch it. You could be a 10 pounder, that.
You work that.